Welcome to the next part of Faded and welcome to the chorus. I'm ready for Where Are You Now? And these are the 3 notes with which we are starting today. Yeah, and that's the chorus, what we are covering in today's video. Okay, that's great, because we are getting closer and closer to the piece. So let's start with the first practice part. At the right hand we have these 3 notes. So we probably play them with the middle finger because this is how we ended in the verse. So, and it's also a great way to play it. Yeah, the middle finger is very safe, and these are important notes. Where are you now? Yeah, so much passion at this. And the middle finger has a great power to control the key here. But you should know when you repeat a note, and it can make sense because later we go a little down, you can change the fingering on one key. Middle finger, ring finger, pinky. That's a great practice, by the way. If you want to do a little practice for your fingers, play the same note, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. Yeah, and try to play it bum 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 as straight as possible. Can be slower. Slow is always fine, yeah, but straight and clean is very important. Because this is the key for beautiful sounding piano music. Okay, so we have the right hand. The left hand has the same chords as before, and we start with the first one. So the right hand starts 1, 2, 3, and then together, and then 4 times the left hand. That's it. Yeah, okay, that's the first practice part. The next one is, and you can see we have a shift in the right hand. Now the middle finger is on the F sharp, D sharp, C sharp. These are all our notes, that's not too hard. Yeah, but changing the hand position from here, that's a bigger challenge. To really hit the note here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. So, and the left hand has our second chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. And we play right together, right, left, left. Again. Right together, right, left, left. Again. I play this again and again. Right together, right, left, 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 right together, right, left, left, right together, right, left, left. Yeah, right together, right, left, left. That's the second practice part. Okay, great. The third practice part is F sharp once, C sharp twice, and then A sharp. Yeah, and also the right hand again starts. Right, left, 4 times. Yeah, there is no together. The right hand is alone at the beginning, and then the left hand. I mean, there is something together because the right hand already plays, starts when the left hand plays the last chord from the first from the practice part before. Just a second. So we have here the A still, the B major chord. And then we play the chord here, right hand, and here together. Right, together, right, and now we have right and 4 times left. Let me start even a little earlier. So we had here left, right, together, right, left, left, right. That's the next practice part. Together, right, right, and now left. So which chord? This chord. 4 times. Okay. F sharp major. Okay, cool. So, and the fourth practice part has the same notes on the right hand. So that's what we just had. And now we have, and we are adding a G sharp. Lum, bum, ba-dum. This is what we had, and now bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. So, and the left hand plays. And we also have the same chord shift here. So the left hand still is is still in the F sharp. So left hand, right, together, right, right, left, right, and left 4 times. So let me play these both together. Right, right, together, right, together, left, left, right, together, right, together, together. Again, right, together, right, together, left, left, right, together, right, together, together. Yeah, the second last note here with this is you can also play right, left. Yeah, I just play together. You can play this like this, or like this. Yeah, together, together, or right, left, together. That's more like the original version. Okay, so let me play everything what we had to this point. So, and now we repeat this. So, but then we have a new practice part. Yeah, I call this not practice part 2, I call this 2B, okay? So, and the right hand plays F sharp twice, D sharp, and then goes up to the B. By the way, we already covered a lot in this video, yeah? It's totally fine when you take a break for today and cover this part here tomorrow or so, yeah? So take your time. It's with piano tutorials, you can always come back, yeah? You can practice something and take a break, and when you sleep at night, it always helps. Okay, but let's go on to B. That's the right hand. And when we bring both hands together, so that was the first practice part. Right, together, right, and now the left hand changed the chord. Left, right, together, left, right, together. So the thing is, again, we start in the middle of the first practice part. So let's bring both together very slow. So right hand starts, then together. Left, left, right, together, right, together. Left, left, left. Okay, so that's this practice, these two together, and I highly recommend take your time for this. Yeah, okay, that's the same, a little faster. And then we have the right hand change the position again. So we are toggling back and forth between C sharp and A sharp. And then we have G sharp and B. 1, 2, 3, 4 times G sharp and B. So that's the right hand. When we bring both hands together, we have the third chord in the left hand, F sharp, A, C sharp. Right hand starts alone, together, right, together, right, together, right. So the beauty is, it's the same. Yeah, always on this note. Always when the right hand plays the A sharp, the left hand plays the chord. Yeah, we had something like this before. So right, together, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then right, left. A sharp, B, and the new chord, the C sharp major chord in the left hand. So the thing is, one more time. The thing is, the fourth practice part is very easy because this is part of it maybe. We only have C sharp, B, and A sharp. Thumb, pinky, ring finger. Left, left, right, together, anything together. Yeah. Left, left, right, together, together. All right. So great. That's the fourth practice part, 4B, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 1, 2B, 3B, and 4B. Let me play all together for you, very slow. The second half, now 2B, 3B, and 4B. Okay, great, and that's the chorus. Yeah, and then in the next video we have we can play the intro. Yeah, but it's very similar notes, but a little bigger. Yeah, and of course we cover this in the next video. I'm looking forward if you are there again. Thanks so much for being here. I'm always looking forward to see you on my website, werdemusiker.de. I'm very sure you will love these lessons. Links in the description below. Thanks so much and see you there.